Have you ever wanted to create a stunning professional newsletter without spending hours designing or hiring a graphic designer? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a newsletter in Canva quickly, easily, and for free. Let's jump right in. First, head over to canva.com and type newsletter into the search bar. You'll instantly see hundreds of pre-made templates, from modern business layouts to creative lifestyle designs. You can pick one that fits your brand or start completely from scratch with a blank canvas. Once you've selected your template, it's time to customize. Canva's drag and drop editor makes everything super simple. Just click any text box to edit the content, change fonts, and adjust colors to match your brand. You can also upload your logo and brand colors using the brand kit feature, ensuring your newsletter looks consistent and professional every time. Next, swap out any placeholder images with your own visuals. You can upload photos directly from your computer or use Canva's huge library of free stock images. Want to add a personal touch? Try including clickable icons for your social media or a short about section to make your newsletter feel more connected. When your design looks perfect, it's time to share it. Click the share button in the top right corner. From there, you can download your newsletter as a high-quality PDF to send by email, or simply share a Canva link for easy online viewing. And that's it. Your professional newsletter is ready to go. With Canva, creating polished, eye-catching newsletters isn't just easy. It's actually fun. Give it a try today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can design something that truly represents your brand. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out my other tutorials for more quick design tips and tools that can help you stand out online.